Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and here's another very useful tip for you all. In this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the flash notifications. So it's real simple to do, just go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So first of all, pull down the notification panel and then select the little gear icon there to go into the settings. And then scroll down all the way down to where it says accessibility. So there it is. Select the option and then select advanced settings. And here you will see flash notification. Go ahead and select the option. And then here, it just explains flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. And here you get a quick little demonstration as to how it looks once it's all set up. So you can see it flashing there. Okay, so beneath it, you'll see three different options. You'll see camera flash notification, screen flash notification, and also the preview option. So go ahead and turn on the camera flash notification option. And then where it says all apps, just go ahead and tap on it. And then it will bring up a long list of all your applications that work with the flash notifications. And by default, as you can see, all these applications are enabled. They're all turned on, as you can see. So just scroll through the list, and if there's any applications that you don't want to receive flash notifications from, just go ahead and turn off the switch. So for example, I don't want to receive no flash notifications from the clock. So I would turn off the switch. And I also don't want to receive no flash notifications from Epic Games and also Device Care. However, if you want to receive flash notifications, from these applications, you just keep the switches turned on. So like I said, just scroll through the list and just turn on or turn off any applications that you don't want to receive flash notifications from. And then go back. And here you have the preview option. So you can preview how the flash notifications is going to look once you receive a flash notification. So select preview, and as you can see, the torch there, the camera light on the back, it flashes. So that's how it's going to look anytime I receive a flash notification. So let's do that again. Okay, and then we have the screen flash notifications. So go ahead and turn on the little switch. And once again, if you select all apps, you can select the little color icon there to change the color. And you can also preview how your flash notification is going to look when the screen flashes. And then just hit save. And you can also select the applications that you want to work with the screen flash notifications. So once again, you're going to see a long list of applications that you have installed. Just simply select the box of any of the applications that you want the screen flash notifications to work with. And hit preview so you can see how it's going to look anytime you receive a screen flash notification. And that's basically it. So that's how you enable the flash notifications on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.